In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make resume public in Indeed. Making your resume public on Indeed is an important step if you want employers and recruiters to discover your profile more easily. When your resume is set to public, it becomes searchable, which means companies can reach out to you directly with opportunities that match your skills and experience. Let's walk through the process together so you can set this up ScoreAd and confidently. To begin, make sure you are already on the Indeed website and logged into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the navigation bar at the top of the screen. On the far right side, you'll see your profile icon, usually located next to the notifications section. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. After clicking, several options will appear, including your profile, resume, and job-related sections. Go ahead and select the profile option. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can manage and update your information. Once you're on your profile page, look for the resume section. This is where your uploaded or created resume is stored. You may notice that it is currently labeled as not searchable, which means employers cannot find it in their searches. To change this, click on your Indeed resume to open it. When your resume opens, focus on the top section of the page. You'll see a visibility setting that indicates whether your resume is searchable or not. Click on this setting to view your options. A small menu will appear, giving you the choice between keeping your resume private or making it searchable on Indeed. Since the goal is to make your resume public, select the option that allows it to be searchable. After choosing this setting, make sure to save your changes so the update is applied successfully. Once saved, your resume will now be visible to employers using Indeed's search tools. This increases your chances of being contacted for job opportunities without having to apply manually every time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.